Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another beauty secret I'm gonna share with you, and this baking soda and coconut oil is gonna work wonders in your skin, and it's gonna remove fine line, pigmentation, wrinkles on your face. If you have acne, it is perfect to remove all those acne in your face and skin. Baking soda, you use it in the morning, at night. It is very effective and very powerful to remove all those unwanted things on your skin. Smooth, soft, your skin will be glowing. Your skin will be so beautiful that when people ask you, they will ask, what cream are you using? If you tell them you are using just baking soda and coconut, my god, there is nobody that will see your skin and not use the same thing. So I'm gonna show you how you can mix this together to achieve that amazing result. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna need my plate now. Just gonna need my plate and my spoon. So you just need to open your baking soda, but remember, baking powder is different from baking soda, so take note of that. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and I'm gonna take a spoon of coconut oil. This coconut oil, I make it myself. If you want to know how you can make your own coconut oil, I will leave the link below. You can check and see. So you just mix it together. See the consistency? So I will use this to scrub on my hand. You use this on your face, on your body, whatever part you need attention on your skin. Use this baking soda. It's gonna work perfectly for you, and this is very effective, very effective. And this, because of the coconut oil, is going to moisturize your skin. Your skin will be so soft and smooth. If you have pimples, just scrub this baking soda on the pimples. You will not see them anymore. See the consistency? So now I'm gonna apply it on my hand. I'll use my hand. You can hold my hand. So you just scrub your skin, your face with this. After you finish scrubbing yourself, you will see the result immediately. From the first day you use this ingredient, you're going to see amazing benefit and amazing result on your skin. Your skin will look like a baby skin, and it will remove fine line, wrinkles from your face, pigmentation, acne. Is going to remove it from your face when you use it all the time. But from the first day you will see amazing result. So you just keep doing it. It's very simple and it's affordable. You can get baking soda anywhere. You can even make your own coconut oil, or you can buy it from the grocery. So it's affordable. So you scrub it there's other product which is good, but it's very expensive. All this home remedy works for skin and it's perfect for skin. All those products in the market, they use home remedy also, and they deceive people. They sell it for thousand or hundreds of dollars, and we still go and buy it and we believe that one is better. But this one is very, very effective. If you try it, you will see amazing results. This is not joke. So that is, I'm gonna wash my hand now. So